Welcome back. This is the last video for ages 6 through 9. We have two more minor scales to go through, E minor and D minor. So starting with E minor, it's the same as G major. There's an F sharp in the key signature. So if we start on G and we go up 6 notes, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get E. So that's our minor. And then, so we're going to start on E. Here, I'll use left hand. And there's the F sharp. 3 over. And back down, same way. Pretty easy. Oh, you know what? Number 7 should be a sharp too. But always the last two notes are 7, 8, a half step. So remember your half step at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. White key, 7, 8. C. And then the right hand. 1. Thumb under. 7, 8. Okay. So again, that's our scale. It's just 5 plus 3 and 3 plus 5. When you do 1, 2, 3, there's a mouse hole, and then your thumb is the mouse. Put the mouse through the mouse hole. Good, so that's your E minor. Now the chords, the one chord is E, G, B. E, G, B. Now if I go up 4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, I get the A. And I do my A chord, A, C, E. Then the 5 is one note more, is B. This is probably the hardest chord we've done so far. We have B, F, B, D sharp. Remember that? And the F sharp. So there's 2 sharps in a B chord. With my right hand. So B, D sharp, F sharp. So we have the 1 chord E, the 4 chord A, and the 5 chord B. You use the 3 finger there. On the right hand, I'm going to do it down here. Well, I'll do it here. E, A, B, okay. And then the arpeggio is pretty easy, all white keys. Well, what did I do wrong there? E. It's early in the morning. It's still morning. Here we go. And then the intervals. First, E, E. Second, E, F sharp. Third, E, G. Fourth, E, A. Fifth, E, B. Sixth, E, C. Seventh, E, D sharp. And eighth is... So that takes care of E minor. Oh, we didn't do the cadence. Just a normal cadence. It kind of reminds me of the G cadence. If we do G, we have 1 up to the 4, 1, 5, 7 has that sharp with the pinky, and then 1. E is the same thing. E up to the C, E, here comes the pinky. So there you go. That's your E minor. Let's do D minor. And congratulations, we're pretty much done. You need to go back through all of these videos and just do them over and over until you could make your own videos about it, till you know everything. So D minor is a really fun scale to do. It's a 3+5 scale. It starts on D. If I look at the key signature, it's the same as F. It has one flat in it. So if I start on F and go up 6 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I got D. So that's why I know D minor. So there's a B flat, and then number 7 is a sharp. So we have a flat and a sharp right next to each other. And like I said, that makes it kind of interesting, and I think it's kind of cool. If we start on D, here's our 3-finger over, B flat, C sharp, D. And remember, 7 and 8 is always a half step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 over, 3 mouse hold, thumb under, and then with the right hand, D, mouse hold, B flat, C sharp, 7, 8, C sharp, B flat. Yeah, again, if you're good, you can 2, 3, 3's together. All these black keys are together, then thumb, 3's together. Good. And our chords are D minor, that's 1 chord, D, F, A. Our 4 chord is G minor. The 4 chord is always going to be minor, so now because of that B flat, it's G minor, G, B flat, D. And the 5 chord is always major, so it's up 1, A, C sharp, E. So it's just like the scale. We have these 2 black keys. The 4 chord is G minor, G, B flat, D. The 5 chord is A major, A, C sharp, E. And our 1 chord is D minor. And then the arpeggios, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D. And the intervals, we got D, E, second, D, unison, D, D, second, D, E, third, D, F. And remember in D major that would be F sharp, but not here. D minor, it's D, F. And then D, G is a 4th, D, A is a 5th, D, B flat is a 6th, remember your scale. And then D, C sharp is a 7. Again, remember your scale, and it's always a half step to 8, D, D. There you go. So again, congratulations. We finished the 6 to 9-year-old scales and theory for AMTA.